I bought the STANLEY IceFlow because of all the hype, and after using it for about 5 months now, I think I can finally give a proper, honest opinion on it. And I'll start with this. I'm actually switching to a different bottle, but not because it's bad, that's the important part. The build quality is honestly really solid. It feels premium the moment you pick it up. The stainless steel body, the handle, the overall finish, it all feels like something that's built to last a long time, not something cheap that will wear out quickly. And in terms of performance, it does its main job really well. I'll fill it up in the morning, and even hours later the water is still ice cold. There's really nothing to complain about there. And I also understand why it's so popular. It looks good, the design is clean, and it has that simple aesthetic that a lot of people like. But after using it every day, small things start to stand out. The first one is refilling it. You can't just quickly top it up. You have to unscrew the whole lid every time. It doesn't take long, but when you're doing it multiple times a day, it starts to feel less convenient than bottles where you can just pour water straight in. Cleaning is another thing. The straw itself is fine, but the flip lid has small areas that are a bit harder to reach properly. If you only drink water, it's probably not a big issue, but if you use anything with flavor, it makes you think more about whether it's actually fully clean. Now, about the leak situation. If you close it properly, it's fine. But there is one important detail. You have to fold the spout down so a small plug seals it. If you forget that step... And one more thing, it's a very recognizable bottle. Some people like that, some don't care, and some might prefer something a bit more low-key. It really depends on personal preference. So, overall, this is where I've landed. It's a good bottle. I don't think it's bad at all. It just isn't the best fit for how I personally use a water bottle every day. For me, convenience matters more. Quick refills, easy cleaning, and fewer small things to think about. That's why I'll probably switch to something like an Owala or an insulated blender bottle instead. Not because the STANLEY is bad, but because after 5 months of using it, I've realized what I actually want from a bottle. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.